Hi, I'm Eric. I'm the Industrial Vacuum Specialist here at Goodway Technologies, and today we're here to introduce you to our continuous duty wet vac with a continuous duty pump out. This is our DV CD AD vacuum. 4.5 horsepower, continuous duty, totally enclosed fan cooled motor and blower, coupled with a demisting pad and a tank that can handle all your liquid, and it has a pump inside of it that will automatically discharge. So your inlet is right here. You can run an 1.5 inch or a 2-inch hose on the inlet. All that material is going to come in a cyclonic inlet and force itself down into the pan. And when it comes time to emptying it, you have a cam lock assembly. You're simply just going to put that on the tank, and the pump is going to discharge through this cam lock. So what's nice about this is you do have a regulator on the end of the pump. So if you want to control how fast the liquid's coming out, you can do that. You can leave it wide open so it just automatically discharges, or you can also throttle it as well, depending on what the liquids are and where you're trying to put them. Service this is extremely simple. Everything is removable from the pan. So there's your 2 vacuum hoses, one for the pump and one for the vacuuming. On the front here, you'll see we have a sight glass. This is going to give you a visual on where the liquids are and when it may need to be emptied if you're not using the pump feature. When you turn this around, this is where everything is going to be serviced from. So you'll see here that it comes with a 480 volt control panel. This is complete with your motor protection for both the vacuum motor and also the pump motor. You have your on and off button. You do have your when on full button to tell you that indicated that it's full. And you have your separate switch. You can turn the pump on and off should you not want to run the pump. You can run only the vacuum and not the pump. All of our vacuum motors are protected from a relief valve. This is going to be preset at the factory to protect the blower from air. And then to empty this, you have several connections you're going to see on here. These are the connections that are talking to the control panel. Get access to this. Simply remove the pan, and then you're going to remove each of these. The pin configuration on these is such that they only fit where they belong, so you don't have to worry about hooking them up the wrong way. And now you have your liquid container that you can go and you can service. Inside of this, we have a basket. So the basket's going to collect any chips or any solids that you may have with the liquids, and you do have a strainer bag as well that'll get finer material prior to going down into the pump. And then inside of here we do have a continuous duty pump that'll automatically discharge that material. So servicing this, everything is right here, easy to service, very hygienic, so you don't have to worry about taking the machine apart from the top. And then when you go put it back together, you're just going to make sure that all of those connections are in the back here. But it's really easy. You just simply line up these roller bearings, and you'll see right here, line those up, make sure your cords aren't in the way, and put it back together. And that's as easy as it is to put back together. Put your pin configuration back in, and you're ready to go. So this has been an overview of our DV CD AD continuous duty wet vacuum with pump.